Hey everyone, this is Phong with Remax. Just want to let you know I'll be hosting open house here, this new listing at 4442 Pillsbury Avenue South in Minneapolis, Saturday from 12 to 2 p.m. This home has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a 2-car attached garage, tuck under. It's listed at $389,900. I'll show. We're walking towards the front of the house. It's a 2-story. To my left here, this is the living room. We're heading towards the dining room. This is the kitchen. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms on the upper level. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. This is the upper full bath. This is the backyard. Here's the backyard. If you know anyone that's thinking about buying a home, please reach out to me. My number is 952-994-6988. Click on the link below for more details and photos. Thank you.